Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm here to show you guys the Osburn 1700 wood insert. So again, a wood insert is designed to fit into a full masonry application, which is going to be a brick chimney from top to bottom. These units will just connect to like a standard 6-inch liner kit, so that's going to be a flexible liner that drops down your masonry chimney. Depending on your application, you may or may not require insulation on your liner kit, so that's definitely something to check into if you're having it professionally installed. Check with your chimney sweep. Otherwise, you can ask me some questions, send me some photos, and I can determine what you need. So the Osburn 1700 wood insert is going to be EPA 2020 approved, but it does not meet the tax credit qualifications. This is going to be shown with the standard black door. You can also get a nickel door as well. Your blower cabinet is just going to be located here directly on the bottom of the unit, and it does just take a standard 110 cord that plugs directly into the wall, so that's super easy. If you wanted, you could hardwire your blower into a wall switch to control it that way. All of the Osburn blowers are going to have a snap disc on them, so when you first get your fire lit and the blower doesn't kick on immediately, don't be alarmed. It could take up to 40 minutes for the unit to actually get hot enough for your blower to kick on, so keep that in mind. Located inside the firebox door, the unit is going to be completely fully gasketed. You do have the reburn tubes located at the top and the baffle system, which is going to give you the higher efficiency level. This model does have a very nice air wash as well. So as long as you're burning dry seasoned wood, you should have a nice clean burning glass. So this is the Osburn 1700 wood insert. If you guys find these overview helpful, please don't forget, just give it a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.